Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is for everyone who wants to eat cookies but cannot because of unwanted calories. These cookies are made without any additional sugar, no refined flour, no oil, no butter, and they're eggless. Made with only 3 ingredients, these cookies become everyone's favorite in no time. So the first ingredient you need is 1 ripe banana. And who doesn't love bananas? Especially kids. And these cookies are so healthy because they contain no refined sugar and the bananas provide natural sweetness to them. Using 1 banana will give you around 6 cookies and you can store them in the refrigerator for about a week. If you want more, you can double the recipe. Now I'm going to mash the banana very finely until it's nice and mushy. I prefer using a fork to mash the bananas because blending them result in a paste-like texture and I don't want that. Bananas are full of potassium and other nutrients and can be used to curb your sugar cravings as well. Now for this recipe, bananas not only provide sweetness but also provide a hold, which obviously result in the cookie because otherwise there's nothing to hold it together. So bananas are the most important ingredient in this recipe and they cannot be replaced. After some time when the banana is mashed, you can see it looks nice and mushy, and now is the time to add other ingredients. Now I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of plain oats. These are instant oats and are without any flavors. To this I'm adding 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips and I'm gonna mix everything together until it forms a dough. Now if you want, you can use oat flour also, but I prefer that using whole oats provide a really nice texture to the cookies. And if you don't like Chocochips, you can replace them with raisins, or if you want, you can even add some chopped nuts to it. That is it guys. Only 3 simple ingredients and our cookie dough is ready. You can even add some cinnamon powder if you want. I don't like that, so I skip it. These cookies are honestly a crowd pleaser because kids love them, fitness freaks love them, elderly people love them, and the one who bakes definitely loves them because they're so easy to do. You don't need any mixer or blender to make them. Just get the ingredients together in a bowl and mix them. I'm gonna scoop out about 1 tablespoon of mixture on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Try to make sure that you scoop out evenly so that all the cookies bake evenly. Because we haven't used any baking soda or baking powder, these cookies don't spread out, so you can bake them together also. There are so many variations that you can do with this cookie. You can add a scoop of peanut butter or a scoop of Nutella, or maybe replace the choco chips with almonds, raisins, or even M&Ms. Or you can do what I love the most. Simply add about a teaspoon of cocoa powder to the mixture and make double chocolate oat cookies. They are so good. As I said before, these cookies don't spread out, so you'll have to flatten them out from the top so that they bake evenly and are not left raw inside. Make sure they're almost the same size. Once they're done, put them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes or until they appear firm. And look at that, our cookies are done and they look wonderful. Let them cool on the tray for about 5 to 10 minutes before you pick them up. You can see the cookies are firm and they're perfectly baked. I just wish you could smell my kitchen right now. It's so amazing guys. I know it's hard, but you'll have to wait for the cookies to firm up a bit, and trust me, it's so much better than picking up broken cookies. And there you go, the cookies are perfectly done. I love the brown color at the bottom. The cookies are firm enough to hold their shape but so soft the moment you bite in. It's just like banana bread in the form of cookies, like it's even better. You guys need to try these. They are so easy to make and are so delicious. And why would you miss out on something so good? But don't expect these cookies to be crispy because clearly they don't have anything to give them the texture. They are soft and chewy and definitely worth a try. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this recipe with your family and friends so that they can enjoy it too. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I'll see you next time.